This activity is called the weakest link, and it's going to be an activity that will help your kids see that they should always give their very best, give their all at church. You're going to need for this activity your help sheet, some sort of a disc that a child could be pulled on, whether it be like a garbage can lid or a snow sled or a piece of plastic, and then a piece of tape as your finish line. Then do the activity something like this. All right, guys, today we've been talking about giving our all, that God wants us to give our all. Well, one place that God really wants us to give our all is at church. So I want to do a little activity that will help us understand that. All right, let's see. John, you're one of the bigger ones. Why don't you sit in that garbage can? Now, the object for you guys is to try and pull John across that line, okay? The three of you. All right, so go over there and maybe, why don't all three of you come and grab, why don't you hook your hands together like this, John? And then grab like that. And, okay, well, now wait a minute. Tell you what, Christine and Sam, I don't want you guys to participate. Why don't you go sit over here? Miss Emily, I want you to pull John across that piece of tape. On your mark, get set, go. She's doing pretty good. All right, keep going until you cross the line, and very good. All right, good job. Was that kind of hard?
It was kind of hard.
All right, very good. All right, stand up, John. So I'm going to do it one more time. Come on back down here, John. Come on back down here, Emily. Grab onto his hands again. Okay. All right. On your mark, okay, let's do something though. Let's add you two. I want you two to participate in this event. Go over there. All right. And on your mark, get set, go. And looks quite a bit easier. All right, let me ask you a question. Was it easier that time?
Much easier.
Why was it easier?
So you're doing it all together.
Exactly, because you guys participated. All right, come on around and sit down. Let's talk about this. God's talking, or we've been talking that God always wants us to give our all, okay? When we give our all, it means that we're giving our very best. God wants us to give our very best at church, okay? How many times have you ever come to church and just didn't really feel like participating? You kind of just wanted to sit in the back and not sing the songs or do the motions or anything like that. Well, you know what? That's basically giving only 50%, 25%, 10%. Should we ever do that?
No.
No, when we come to church especially, we come to worship God. And we should always be willing to give our very best, give our all, okay? And if a couple people don't participate, are they giving their all?
No.
No. But it's so much better when everyone does participate, isn't it? So that's what we need to try and do. We need to remember that when we come to church, we should always participate and give our all. All right?